The Bank of Canada made their interest rate decision this morning, September the 6th, and they announced that they will not be raising rates and leaving their bank rate at 5%, which is good news for a lot of homeowners and people with variable rate mortgages. That will mean that there'll be no rate hike in your mortgage payments next month. Also, one of the reasons they were able to do that is the job numbers came in for last month, and Canada lost 6,000 jobs, and the employment rate has inched up to 5.5%. And that's something the government of Canada has been looking to do. They want to slow our economy, and it looks like it's happening, so they're able to hold off on rates for now. Also keep in mind, one of the reasons why they want to hold too is because the effects of the rates can take up to 18 months to actually trickle down to the real economy and see the effect on homeowners and people who have borrowed money. So they don't want to overstep their bounds, but one of the biggest concerns they have is inflation is still at 3.3%, and their goal target for that is 2%. Now, it was up to 8% inflation, and they got it down to 3.3, but the remaining from 3.3 to 2% is very tricky. In order to reach that target, they're going to have to leave rates high for a longer period of time. Like we mentioned in one of our previous videos, in the 70s when inflation went really, really high, the Bank of Canada raised rates, and then they lowered them too quickly, and inflation soared higher, even higher than previously, and then they were forced to raise rates again and leave them higher for longer. So the main concern the bank will have is keep an eye on the inflation, but what they've done with the rate hikes over the past year seems to be working. Our economy is slowing, and this allows them to kind of keep inflation in control. And the article above me says too, like, keep in mind, they will raise rates if they feel it's necessary. Their main concern is inflation. If it gets out of hand again, if they feel the economy is not cooling as fast as they want it to be, there is a possibility they'll raise rates. I personally think they are going to put a pause on rates for a while now. They're going to gauge the market, see how it plays out for itself. And inventory numbers in real estate are starting to inch down too, which they usually do. Real estate homes, the majority of the homes come on the market in the summertime. We get up to 9,000, 10,000 homes into the marketplace, and now we're below 9,000 again. Inventory is dropping. That could lead to a little bit higher demand in real estate, but not raising the rates is definitely a pleasant sign for all of us. And I'll keep you guys posted on what's happening in the economy. And also, if you have any real estate related questions and see how it's affecting you and your family, give me a shout anytime. It's Real Estate with Raza. And until next time, guys, you guys have yourself a wonderful day. Bye-bye.